Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. Let me put up the lights. All right, guys, we have this Samsung phone. A technician brought it just a few minutes ago, and he told me that his customer connected his customer connected the battery. I think all those 12-volt battery. He peeled out the charger and he connected this phone to the battery, and the phone stopped charging from since then. So I want us to examine how we can troubleshoot this and repair it. So make sure you share this video and let's get started, okay? Let me try and share the video. Hold on. Let's wait for more people to join in. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Hold on. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay. Let me know where you're watching from, anyways. All right. Let me know where you're watching from. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. This is Samsung A15, right? Am I correct? Yeah. Hello, Mr. Promise. Welcome to the live. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and from Ikot Ekpen, Akwa Ibom State. Okay. You're from Akwa Ibom. Thank you so much for watching. Mr. Azan Teslim from Osun State. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. All right, please make sure you like the video as we are coming in, okay? And if you are interested in our online training, please make sure you join. You DM me on the numbers in my bio. Okay, so this Samsung came in a few minutes ago from a technician, and the technician said that his customer connected he connected the cable, the charging cable, to 12-volt battery. You know, those battery from a car, battery from Okada, from motorcycle. You know, they carry high current. So he connected into the phone because he wants to charge the phone, and the phone stopped charging. So he said he's powering on, but I've not yet tested it. So hello, Sam from Anambra State. Mr. Arthur, hey, where you? Bonjour. Safa. Okay, so Mr. Arthur, you came in with this your joke, huh? Let me know where you guys are watching from, anyways. Don't mind this, my brother. So let me power the phone on. Let me see if it's powering on. Is it powering on? No, it's not powering on. So let's open up the phone. So the technician said he has changed the downboard the subboard, but the phone is still switching off the charger light. So, oh wait, let's. Guys, sorry for the interruption. What I'm saying is, let's check first and confirm that the phone is switching off the charger light. Okay, so that's why I was saying before the network behave abnormally. But anyway, it's okay. All right, let's do this. Pay close attention. Okay, you see that the light is off, on. You see that. You see that. So yeah, it's true. What the technician said is true. The phone is stripping off charging, the charger lights. So all right, no problem. So now let's continue to open up the phone. Okay, don't forget to like, and if you are interested in our online training, please make sure you join our online training. You are going to learn a lot from there, trust me. Okay, you are going to learn a lot from our online training. All right, make sure you share this stream. Okay, share the live stream with your technician friends. Let them also come and participate in the live stream. How is the quality? Is the quality okay? Is the quality good? So I've not even opened the phone, so this is the first time I'm gonna open it. Hello, Mr. Lade. Welcome to the live. Oh, my online student. How are you, sir? Welcome to the live. Everyone, come and join our online training. You're going to learn a lot from it. Okay. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Am I done opening all the screws? Yes. I think that's all. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Look at what this technician is trying to do. You guys see what he's trying to do. Look at what this technician is trying to do. You see, he's attempting a jumper wire here. You see all these technicians, right? When they would try their best. When they see their best is not bringing out results, then they will now take it to a person that knows much about it. So if you don't know something, why are you trying? He said he has replaced this subboard. So so that's true. He has replaced here, and he also attempted making a jumper here. He attempted making a jumper here. Let me open here. Let me see. Maybe he has not damaged. You see, he's already putting stuff here. Do you guys see what this guy is doing? What is this? Let me take a reading. Let me let me take a reading. Someone told you that he put high voltage inside the phone and you are still making jumper without first eradicating the, that's what I'm saying, guys. It's very good that you have knowledge. When you get knowledge about phone repair, okay, you know what to do. All right. That's what I'm saying. It's very good that it's okay that you guys join our online training. Okay. My online students will never do this. My online students will never do this thing. Okay. This is reading short. You see, both sides are reading short. He still went ahead to make jumper right here. That's very bad. Anyway, but let's move on. We have short on the, I don't know, maybe this side is positive or this side is positive. I don't know. Let me check. Most Samsung, their positive is towards the left side. Okay, I'm going to know where the positive is now. Let me switch to my voltage mode. Then I'm going to connect the charger. I'm going to take reading from where he's making jumper from, right here. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. I can't do that. Oh, okay. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, let me read it from here. From the FPC itself, we have our 5 volts, and yes, this side is the positive, because on the multimeter is showing minus, right? So let me do it this way. So that means the subboard is okay. All right. So this side is the positive. Now, it's very wrong for you to, because we are having short, probably the technician does not know much. Okay. So I don't want to blame him that much, right? So because he does not know much, that's why he attempted making a jumper on this side. But with what we have read so far, you can easily tell that there is a short on this PCB. But let's try and power the phone on with our DC power supply, just to confirm the phone is switching on, before we go ahead to, you know, help this customer. I mean, help this technician. All right. So let's go ahead and do that right away. So I have my DC power supply over there. Let me remove these probes. Don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button. Hey, Mr. Jerry, that's my boss, about to deliver another masterpiece. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm trying my best, huh? I'm trying my best. For those that are watching, you don't know that we have 2 channels. Please go and subscribe to the main YouTube channel as well. So 5 volts is, let me bring the voltage down a bit. What am I doing? Okay, and the arms. Okay, the arms is fine. Okay, don't forget to like, guys. Don't forget to like. So we have checked the technician made. The error he made trying to make jumper on a short PCB, short circuit line, which is a very bad thing. Okay, so it's making noise. Let me switch it on the, let me turn it the other way around. Okay, we just wanna power on this phone and see if it's powering on or not. That's what I want to do. Wait, the power switch is on this frame. The power switch is on this frame. And I don't know where the test points are. So hold on, guys. Let me try and put this cover. I hope I don't break it. Hey, don't tear or flex. I don't have a spare. So let me just take my time, guys, please. I have a camera before me, so it's a bit difficult. doing these things. Okay, so bear with me. Now it's supposed to power on now. Let's try. Okay, but it was showing it wanted to power. You know what I'm going to do, guys? Let me remove it from that frame. This is going to be a hell of a disaster. If this flex breaks, I will not rest. So let me just take out the like this. So I will know I'm pressing the you have to apply wisdom in this job, unless you enter BC. The customer will tell you, that's not how I gave it to you, my brother. Let me do it the way I gave. Let me do it the way you, you know. Let me do it the way I gave it to you. You see, this phone is not even displaying as well, and it's I don't know what's happening. Sorry, guys. Hold on, okay. Okay, let's press. Supposed to have picture on the screen, right? And it's dropping back to 0. Who's this person? Hello? Akaro, sir. Yes, more office. Okay, sir. Okay. I'm trying to power on. The guy said this phone is powering on now. Why is it not powering on? Okay. Why is this phone not powering on? Could it be my boot cable? See, the phone is not powering on. This phone is not powering on, guys. The customer said the phone was powering on. Let me take the readings of the battery. Let's start with the readings. This guy, he told me this phone is working. He told me it's only charging. He told me it is only charging. Abi, I'm going to solve. He told me that it's only. So let's take the reading of the battery. Okay, the battery is very low. Most times Samsung behave this way anyway. But at least we switch on now. Why is it not switching on? Let me remove this. But it's not this. It's not this guy. I don't like the way people are lying. Why is it lying? The phone is powering on. Although some Samsungs they don't power on with the boot cable. So I'm going to try another boot cable. I have two boot cables. I will try another boot cable now. Okay. Where is the power button again? Okay, let's power it on again. Am I supposed to hold it down for long? This phone is not power. This phone is not working. This phone is not working. This phone is. Do I have any Samsung battery here? Let me check. Or you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to boost up this battery. Let me boost up this battery. I'm going to boost up the battery with the DC power supply. So we use its own battery to power it on because, okay, let me check my second boot cable. We have the other boot cable here. We should be able to use this one. Oh yeah, let's try this one, guys. Let's try this boot cable. I have two boot cables because sometimes the boot cable can also be having problem, you know. That's why as a technician you need to have a lot of hey, shut up, don't make noise. Let's try it here like this first. Okay, no, it doesn't receive it that way. Then this way. Okay. All right, now let's power it on. At least it's another boot cable. The same thing. Thank you so much. It connect screen, sir. Okay. You see, and it's gonna drop back. So let me connect again. I'm going to boost the battery. I'm not satisfied that the phone is not powering on. They said it was powering on, so we need to check that first before we it's going back to 0. All right, no problem. Let's boost the battery. Let us boost it. Let's boost the battery. Some phones are like that. So to clear all doubts, let us put fire on the battery. Okay. So this side is the plus and this side is the minus. Okay. That's gonna be a hell of a job, bro. Hell of a job right there. Okay, let's do this. I'm trying to boost up the battery. Yes. Maybe he has tried his best, and and the thing now spoiled. Look at the jumper he's trying to make. Look at the jumper he was trying to make from that side. It's very wrong because he doesn't know how to use multimeter. So it's very good. It's very important that we know how to use our multimeter. So I'm going to boost up the battery. I'll boost up the battery. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. The battery was 3.4 before. Now let's check how many volts. It's just to know that we are not wasting time connecting these things. So I just want to see that the phone is powering on before. Still 3.4. Let me increase the volts on my DC power supply. Yeah, let's go. Nice. I have increased the voltage on my DC power supply, and now it's giving me good current draw. So the previous reading was 3.4. So let's try and boost the battery and be sure that this phone is powering on, because I don't want to enter what a technician will now say, you are the one that killed it. You have to apply wisdom in everything you do, and that is what I'm doing right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Mr. Z Solayinka, welcome, sir. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live, sir. My multimeter is about to go off. You can hear that sound, Toto, Toto. I love my multimeter. It's very nice. I love it. It will go off now. Yeah, it's off. Okay. Let's take another reading. Let's take another reading. It was 3.4, right? Now it's 3.5. Okay, we are going to 3.6 at least. 3.6, 3.7. That's where we are targeting. Let's take our time. This technician must not take us as a fool. We know what we are doing. Like there was a time a technician brought a phone to me. It was a Samsung S9 Plus. He told me, engineer, the phone is working properly. It's just having charging issue. Then he removed, that sensor at the back of those Samsung. Whenever it's not there, it will not charge. Okay, I told him, you already opened this phone now. Bring all the gadgets, the back cover, the sensor, all those, so that I can see that the phone is not charging, and I can also see that the phone was powering on. Then the guy said, okay, I will bring it. The first day, second day, did not bring it. Then later he brought it. Then when he brought it, I hope his aim was that maybe I would have done something on that phone. And until I confirm that something is wrong on your phone, I will never go to another. I will never work on that phone. I need to confirm first that phone is having that problem, and every other thing is fine, because people can be funny. Then he later brought the sensor and everything. Then I tried powering on the phone. The phone was not switching on. I said, engineer, but you said this phone was working. He said, yeah. His mouth began to. I said, you think I'm my brother? I'm not that type of technician that you lie. At the end of the day, you say, but I gave you, it was working when I gave it to you. I have a lot of experience in mobile phone repair now, so you can't. I just packed the phone and gave it back to him. That kind of technician is not a straightforward person. He's not a straightforward person. Mr. Aziz Olayinka, you say you are enjoying the troubleshooting process. All right, no problem, sir. You're welcome, sir. So technicians can be cunning, but you have to be smarter as well. People can be so funny, but when you outsmart them, then you win. It's not compulsory I repair all the phone in this world, but the little knowledge I have, I make sure I use it, and the few things I can do, I make my money. But the few money I am making, you cannot use your own smartness to take my money. It's not possible. I'm smart too. So that's why I'm always advising all the technicians to get equipment. If you don't have enough equipment, you are going to face a lot of problems. But when you have equipment, then no one is going to mess with you. Okay, I have tried 2 boot cables on this phone and they were not switching on. So let's that's why I'm boosting the battery. Let's use its own battery. Sometimes some phone can behave that way. They will not power on with your boot cable. They want all the lines to be complete. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's take another reading. I've talked a lot. So let's take another reading. .6. Okay. Let's try powering it on. If it's not power on, then we are going to boost it up to 3.7 volts. But currently now it's 3.6. 3.6 should power on the phone. It can only say low battery, from my experience. Aha! Finally. Good morning, Mr. Aprocon Junior. Welcome. Okay. Now we verify that the phone. Oh my! I almost thought the technician was messing with me. Oh. Okay. Now the phone is powering on. Let's see the touch. The phone is touching. Why is the screen so blank like this? Probably because the battery is low. Okay, we have boosted it up to 5%, 6%. Can see something in the. Okay, so the phone is powering on. We are good to go. Now we are good. Ladies and gentlemen, we are good to go. Hold on, guys. Sorry guys, a technician came. He brought this job. He told me that it's not powering on. It's just let me test it. So it only shows the charging light on top, and he has also tried his best. Guys, is this phone supposed to show blue light? I'm not familiar with these phones. BD2, is it supposed to show blue light? Please respond right now. Respond in the comment, please. I want a response. Does it show blue lights like this? I'm not familiar with these small phones. I mean, this phone. Let me not say small phones. BD2. Guys, I want response now. Is it supposed to show blue or green or? Okay, thank you, sir. All right, we will deal with this phone later. Let's continue with our troubleshooting. All right. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my schematic. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. So I'm going to open my schematic diagram because this Samsung phone, I'm not familiar with where the charging section is. All right, so I'm going to open my schematic diagram. If you guys want to learn about all these things, please join our online training. Okay, all right. You know. All right, let me open my schematic diagram. Hold on, guys. Let me connect network. All right. Someone is asking in the comment section that is it that the boot cable is bad or not compatible? If you are in my online training, I have already said something of this nature when I was talking about boot cable. So you see, boot cable is another topic in my online training. Okay, and I have expressly explained about boot cables. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, please join our online training. Okay, all right. But let me just quickly, for the sake of people that are watching, that are, you know, boot cables are, you know, we have boot cables and we have resistors right on the back. Let me show you. Which one can I remove? Later, yet if your tongue just let me. Okay, look at it. There is a resistor on the back. This is the resistor. Okay. Now, this boot cable can work for different phones, depending on the company. Are you getting what I'm saying? Depending on the company. Now, a company can make the same battery connector that this thing will fit in, but the amount of resistors, the amount of resistor that was supposed to be here may be too much. Maybe the company requires only 100k and this boot cable is carrying 20k resistor. It will not power on that phone. I hope everybody understands that. If you still don't understand, please join our online training. All right, let me see. Mr. Uche the Odogu, welcome, sir. Greetings to you, learning from the best. Thank you so much, sir. Let me open my schematic diagram. I'm still trying to open it. I hope you understand, guys. So, Mr. Aziz, I hope you understand, sir. So join our online training, guys, and you will not regret it. Okay. I'm trying to open the schematic. Hold on, guys. Thank you, my students. I really appreciate you. Okay. All right, let me bring the laptop closer to you guys. Wait, let me log in first. Hold on. Let me log in. Hold on. Like I said, this is the first time I'm going to be working on this device. This is the first time I'm going to be working on this device. I don't know where the charging IC can be. The charging section can be. Benny. So that my logins will not cast. Thank you, sir. Oh, yeah. Let me log in first. I'll bring it closer. Close it. Let's all go down. What happened? This thing doesn't want to. It's like my schematic diagram is not logging in. Wait, let me try again. Do I have data on my phone? Let me check. I have data now. So let's wait a little while. All right, let's go to another phone. Okay, while I'm waiting for that one. So another technician brought this phone. Okay, another technician brought this phone to me and he said that the network is bad. The network is not good. Sometimes it will bring a lot of bars, sometimes it will. Let me see if I can. Okay. So he said sometimes you see it has 3 bars now. You see it goes to 2, it goes to 1. You see that, guys? You see that? So that's the problem of this phone. Network issue. You see? Let me put the password. And this screen is bad too. You understand? So this network sometimes can be, this thing is pressing itself. Oh, this screen is bad. So now you see it's already 3 bars. It's already 3 bars. Sometimes it can be 2, sometimes it can be 1. So sometimes it can go off finally. So this is another problem that I got from another technician. And let me just show you guys how to work on this. Mr. Uche, now for you, sir. Wise man from the south. My schematic is not opening. My student, please check your own. Is it opening? I think they have server problem. I can't work without this schematic. I can't do guesswork this morning. What's happening? So I'm going to show you guys how to deal with this type of network issue. Okay. Now, you guys have seen how it's behaving, right? So the first thing we are going to do is let's try that Bonnie again while we. So what I'm going to do now is, you start from the basics. Don't stress yourself. Just start from the basics. Do you understand? Start from the basics. So what I'm going to do on this type of problem, network issue, is, let me disconnect the battery. Now, there is always a, hold on guys, I'm trying to look at my schematic now. I don't know why the network, maybe it's their server. Please, my online students, if you have your schematic diagram there, please can you try and log in, please? Finally, I think I'm in. I think I'm in. Wait, it's still rolling. No, it's rolling. Yes, I am in. Let's leave this guy aside. We may come back to this later, okay? Let's go back to the Samsung. That's the main reason why we're here. It has opened already. Guys, sorry, my network is having issue. Hold on, guys. My Wi-Fi stopped working. This Wi-Fi is crazy. Yes, it has opened. It finally opened. It has opened. I'm trying to, my Wi-Fi is, this Wi-Fi is crazy. I forgot to charge it. I forgot to charge this Wi-Fi. So I've connected the charger now. This thing, man. All right. Are you guys still here with me? Or you guys have run away? Are you still here with me, guys? Let me switch. All right. Okay. All right. Let me try and make space for the laptop to come in. Okay. Let's try and work on this. Hold on. All right. Now let's go. Samsung. Let's go to Samsung. Samsung A15. I hope this phone is out already. We have a lot of A15 here. Which one is this one? A15 6E. Okay. 15 6E is this one. So that's A15 5G, right? All right, let's go to hardware solutions, charger, data. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So we need to check the charger data so that we can know where we are going on this. So like I told my online students, your schematic diagram is like your roadmap. It's like your roadmap to your destination. So if you are going to a place and you don't know where you are going, you can just punch in the address into the GPS or Google Map on your phone, and you tell you turn right, turn left. So schematic diagram it's like a guide, a road, like a GPS global positioning system for you. Mr. Uche says sometimes it takes time to open. Yeah. This guy is downloading now. He's starting downloading all over again. Why? Let's wait for it to finish downloading so that we can know where we are going. This thing is still downloading now. I have switched off my Wi-Fi. What am I doing now? What am I doing now? Why did I switch off this thing? I've switched off my Wi-Fi. I mean my hotspot from my phone. Is this thing going to on? Voila. This thing doesn't want to work again. Let's go to bitmap. No voila. Let's download bitmap. Thank God it's having bitmap. Let's look at the bitmap. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have our bitmap. Okay, let's locate the VBOS line. Let's locate the VBOS line. Hope you guys can see. Okay. So you have our VBOS OVP line. OVP. All right, I'm clicking the VBOS OVP line right here. So let's look at where it's going. We are going to trace that line. Trace that line. And here you go. We have our OVP right here. And this guy right here is a diode. Are you guys seeing? It looks like a coil, but it's not a coil. This is a diode. This 6000. So this is our OVP line. So where we are going to open right now is just this other side where the processor is. Okay. All right. Let me grab the phone. I hope you guys are seeing how I'm doing my troubleshooting. So we are going to open this side, right? We are going to open this side. We are going to open this side. Let's go. So let me take this laptop away for now. Plug into the charger. Hold on. Okay, where's that PCB? Come here. Let me plug my laptop into a charger at the corner. Okay. Let me remove the cameras. It's important. Hey, where did I take this camera? Is it here? No. Vamos tomar camera já dentro. I can't remember. I will put this later. Okay, this one is from here, the small one. Voila. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's try and open up this place. Without wasting much time, let's go. Where is my PCB holder? This thing sometimes, it can be funny. It can be funny. So I think we are going to open the shield too. Because that thing is right under here. This thing is very thick. Guys, let me I don't want to risk this thing, I don't want to risk it. So let me put the camera aside. Because this one is switching on. I don't story. Okay, so just watch me as I am removing it. let me concentrate. Doing live stream is not easy. So take your time to watch me as I remove the shield. Okay. All right. Because this phone is powering on. I don't want problem. Okay. Just to be on the safer side, I beg, make I do am like this. I'm applying my flux to that. Okay. All right. We have removed the back cover. So we need to see if the phone is powering on. Let me drive. Let me make it dry from the fan. Hold on, guys. Let me dry it from the fan. Okay. Okay. That's enough. And just take a look quickly. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go. So I am done removing the shield. So the next thing for me is to test this one if it's still powering on, so that we know maybe we are still on point or not. So in the meantime, let me get. Good morning, Mr. Top Notch. Good morning, guys. Good day, sir. You've got 2 YouTube. Yes, I've got 2 YouTube channels. Yes. Good morning, sir. What's the name and model of your air blower? The name is RFH5, RF4. It's RF4 product. RF4 product. Okay. So let's see if the phone is powering on. Then we can continue to troubleshoot. If it does not power on, that's where we are going to end the live stream. But I'm very sure it will power on. Samsung board is very strong, unlike Techno and other products. So let's try and see. Once we see Samsung logo, we are going to. And the phone is powering on. Okay. So let's continue with our troubleshooting. Some people's chest will be beating. Boom, boom, boom. Mojike. If you use the right airflow and temperature, then you should be good to go, guys. It's not hard. Okay. It's not hard. All right. Remember from our schematic diagram. This guy right here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, according to our schematic diagram, right? This is the OVP. IC. Okay. From the schematic diagram, actually this schematic diagram is different now. I don't know why. But it still says this is the OVP. Okay. So that means this is a capacitor before and this is a capacitor after. This is the capacitor. This is the OVP. This is the capacitor. So let's take readings of these 2 capacitors. Okay. Let's take readings of those 2 capacitors. All right. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Reading. We have 0.002, 0.005, 0.002. 0.002. Guys, you see what is happening right now? This side is reading properly. This side and this side. This side is reading properly, and this side is reading short to ground on both sides. Let me take the reading again. 0.5. Then this one 0.2, 0.2. Okay. So how are we going to know which component is having issue? How are we going to know which component is having issue? Okay, what I read was these two capacitors. I read this one, it was fine, and this one right here is not fine. So this guy is a diode. So that's why you need to upgrade your skills in mobile phone repair. Some people can say this is a coil. It's not a coil. Look at it. It looks like a coil, but it's a diode. This is a new generational diode. Oh, how is this diode looking? It is well. Oh. Okay, guys, not a problem. Let's see where the fault is coming from. So that is the most important thing. All right. So I'm going to. Okay. I want to use the microscope. So you guys should just bear with me, okay? I wanna. Which of the components can be causing these shorts? Hold on. Now let's apply rosin flux. What do you guys think? Should I apply rosin flux now? Then we'll see which of the components is heating up. Let's apply rosin flux. Let's apply rosin flux. I'm trying to do physical inspection to see if there's something else that is wrong. But I can't see anything wrong here. But that does not mean nothing is wrong. Something is definitely wrong. Something is definitely wrong. All right. My sodium ion should be hot enough. Where's my rosin? I can't see my rosin. Okay, I've seen it. Let's apply rosin. Okay, the rosin is applied. Let me allow it to apply very well. Aha! So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to inject voltage and bring down the to 4.2 is fine. Okay, so I'm going to use my probes. I'm going to use my probes. Okay. The black probe goes here. Okay. And the red probe to touch. I'm still going to show you guys, okay? So just hold on. Okay, I'll show you if there's anything heating up. What am I doing? You know what I'm going to do? I think I should inject voltage on this place. That thing is not it's not melting. This guy is too auto. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to inject 5 volts is supposed to come from the V-bus line. Let's go 5 volts. And let's go for, okay, 3 amps is fine. Let's go 3 amps. Okay. Did anything melt? Nothing melt. So should I use thermal camera? Let me increase the amps. 4 amps. 4. Let me increase it 4 amps. Did I touch anything here? I think I did. Oh, my mistake. My mistake. My hand has okay. This is how troubleshooting sometimes takes time. So what is the bad thing here? Why is it not? Let's do it again. Nothing is melting up, oh guys. Nothing is melting up. Let me switch to my thermal camera. It's a very tedious job. Okay. All these things I've put the rows in. Nothing was melting up. But our thermal camera cannot deceive us. So let's go to the thermal camera. Let's go to the thermal camera. Let's go to the thermal camera. I don't want to waste my time on this thing. Okay, someone said connect the screen and battery. Connect the screen and battery power on and plug to charge. Can show it faster sometimes. All right, let's try it. So number one, go basic. Let's try what my brothers say, okay? Number one. All right, let's plug in the charger. Where's that charger? Let's follow. It can also work too, but it's killing the charger. The charger is we know the charger cannot. Let's use thermal camera. Let's inject. Let's inject voltage, sir. So let me show you guys the thermal camera. So we'll look at it together. Okay, let me remove this guy. Okay. Not connected. Let's check from the thermal camera. Waiting for the thermal camera to connect. Okay, it's coming up. Okay. Where's my all right, just pay close attention to the thermal camera, guys. Let's hope something fishy comes out. Let me put the black, the GND, then now this guy now, you see guys, for you that don't have thermal camera over, hey, watch and see why you should have thermal camera. Watch and see. Hold on, let me show you. See, oh, thermal camera is the best, man. Look at that. 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 I hope you guys can see, right? Okay, for those that does not have thermal camera, ish. But we use rosin flux, it's not working. Now what do you want me to do? I was expecting the rosin flux to do justice. Let me put it again. You see that? Once I already see that OVPIC is gone. That OVPIC is gone. Let's remove the OVPIC. My brother, sorry, I'm sorry. Don't worry. Get thermal camera. Please get it. Okay, guys. The thermal camera shows us that OVP, this OVP guy, and it was not even eating. Look at how crazy it is. It does not even melt the rosin. See, that's how crazy this thing is. So let's remove the OVPIC and let's do jumper. Abby, what do you guys say? Let's remove the OVPIC first, okay? Let's remove the OVPIC first. Okay. Hold on. Okay, where's the PCB holder? I don't like something wasting my time, man. I already know it is the OVP, but for those that OVP no lo man bon, that's why it is the fuse there. The OVP is like a fuse, so he's the guy. He's the guy. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Okay. Downs. OVP orientation faces the CPU right here. It faces this guy. In case if it's not, maybe it's the. I know it's the OVP IC. Let's go. Oh my guys, this the CPU is very close to the OVP IC. So let's cover the CPU. Let's cover the CPU just to be on the safer side. Phone tó ń tàn tẹ́lẹ̀ kò ní padà tàn mọ́. Let's close the this thing. I hope you are learning. Iman, I hope you are learning. So I have to protect the CPU, guys. It's very important. I'm using the heat resistant tape. Let's go. Okay. The OVP IC is out. So the OVP IC is off. Okay. So let's wait for this guy to cool off. So you guys can say I've removed the OVP. I've removed the OVP IC. So we are going to take another readings, okay, just to be sure that the short is gone. How much will it? No, it's just remove another. There is no big deal. How much will it cost to get a thermal camera? Or is there alternative software that can be connected to our mobile phones to servers? There is no alternative software, so you have to buy the thermal camera. So let's take another reading with our multimeter, okay? Just to be sure that this guy is gone. The short is gone. Let's see. The shot is gone. Oh, boy, the shot is gone. Let me see. Let me check this diode. And the short is gone, guys. You see that? The short is gone. Let's check the let's check this side. Okay. You see, the short is gone. I think we have repaired this problem. So all we need to do is to make jumpers. All we need to do now is to make jumpers from this capacitor to this capacitor. Then we should be fine. So how do you know where to tap your jumper without the schematic diagram? It's called the heat resistant tape. Okay. So let's make a jumper wire. Okay. Let's make a jumper wire. Let's make a jumper wire. Let me read it. No, this is how you are going to know where you jumper. Okay. The capacitors before and the capacitors after has GND. So all you need to do is to locate where the GND is. Okay, this one is the GND. This. So I'm taking my jumper wire from here to here. Let's go. I'll PCB holder. Okay, Bonnie, can you... I will show you guys. Okay, don't worry. My jumper wires. So you need a very tiny soldering wire and soldering iron and soldering wire as well. Yes, that was right. Let me add flux. The flux I did not add is making it a bit difficult to... It's making it harder for me to solve. Okay, I'm done. Okay. So now let's take another reading. Now we shall have a reading which shows that it's connected to the charging IC. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment of truth. The moment to know where maybe what we have been doing so far. Let me show you guys the reading on the multimeter. Maybe what we have been doing so far is you haven't checked the reading of the capacitor that was reading short before. I already checked it, sir. I already checked it. Maybe you were not paying attention. I already checked it. You see the it's not giving good reading right now. Which light is this one now? Let me do it this way. Right. You see 0.5 and the other side 0.00. So this is how it's supposed to read normally. Now let's go back to the phone. Let's not forget to put this. Let's put that cover so that we don't have short circuits. Okay, guys. Hold on. It's no more switching off the charger light, or maybe because this charger is not connected properly. Sometimes this charger shakes as well. I hope the charging IC has not burned. No. Let me connect a good charger. Hold on, guys. All right, let me switch on the phone. Come on, wait phone to cool. Phone repair. Where's the? Let's power it on first. The phone is still on now. That's important. Say the phone is switching on. That the phone is switching on is very, very important. Right, guys? So that is very, very important. But I really hope this thing charges, right? Because we've taken away the short circuit. Hold on. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Ladies and gentlemen, Moji K is number one phone repairer. And the phone is charging. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. You see? Very easy. Easy job. Easy job. Easy job. Right? Let me disconnect the charger. Let me connect it. And there you go. It's charging right now, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this is a successful repair. Live troubleshooting. Live troubleshooting. Samsung A15. Let me remove the charger. The screen goes off. Connect the charger. The screen is back on and the charging logo appears. Oh my, all right guys, I hope you guys have learned a lot in today's troubleshooting and repair. So it's as easy as that. Although if I need to upload this video on YouTube within 5 minutes I would pass my message, you know. But when you are doing the live troubleshooting like this, my brothers and my sisters, it takes long time to finish, you know, repairing this type of issue. But I'm very happy. This is 5% now. It was 4%. This is 5%, right? Let me show you guys. That is 5%. This is 5%. We started from the scratch and we used our schematic diagram to, you know, to navigate, and it helped us. And we're able to, with the right knowledge we have, we're able to repair this device. I hope you guys will like, share, comment, ask your question if you have any questions to ask while we watch this phone charges. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, indeed, my boss has delivered the masterpiece I've talked about earlier. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful work you did, sir. Proud to be one of your students. Thank you. I'm proud to be your teacher as well. Oh, guys, that's how it is done. I hope when you have this type of problem, you guys know how to go about it. So at least you saw everything live. It was not maybe cut and join, editing. So that's how to do it. All right, that's how to do it. So I want to thank everybody for joining. I have to go now. I still have a lot of phones to troubleshoot. I have this phone that technician brought earlier. I have another phone right here. The network issue, you know. Mr. Ladi said, don't go south. It's not easy to put up camera and start. It's not easy. I'm telling you guys. How much do you want me guys to? 6%. 6%. How much do you guys want me to charge the customer? Because I've not even charged him. I just told him, let me check. Then I switch on my camera to start streaming. So how much should I charge? How much should I charge this customer? How much? Okay, let me say, how much would you charge if you are a technician? How much would you charge? How much would you charge? Let's go. Hey, Mr. Uche. Yes, sir. 15K. Yes. Mr. Uche said he's going to charge 15K. Put down for 20K. Okay. Don't say 20K. Mr. Lande, 25K. Hey, God, 400 cedis. 400 cedis, is it not too much? 400 cedis, how much would that be? That would be around, let's say 40-something thousand or 50,000. So that's how much you would charge. Man, look at that. He's a technician. He's a technician. How much would you charge the technician? Will the charging be as fast as it was before the fault? Yes. As you can see, we started from 4%, and now look at it, it's 7%. 7%. So it's going to be charging as fast as that. 10K for technician. Okay. But if you tell him 10K, he can be saying, let me pay 5K now. I beg, say I go chop my own money too. That's what he's going to say. I know him. I know him very well. So, okay, at least 10K. Okay. For a technician. All right. No negotiation. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Guys, I need to go now. Thank you so much for being part of the troubleshooting. It's our brother now. Let's charge him 8K for him to see profit as well. Okay. So if the CPU died during the troubleshooting, can we say he's our brother and the person that said we should charge 8K. Oh, no problem, sir. Network, I'm tired though. I wanted to show you how to do the network. This thing. I'm tired. Okay, should we do the network, guys? Okay, let's vote. If we have like 10 people that support me to do the network phone, I'll do it. I'll do it now. 10 people. So let me count the yes. But you make sure you are saying yes once. Do your yes once. I will not count the yes 2 times. If we have almost 13 people watching. So if we have 10 yeses, then I will do the network right now. I'll do the network phone. 8%. You see, the phone is charging. We are good to go. That was a good repair. That was a very good repair. Okay, I'm going to count the yes. I'm still waiting for you guys to type yes. If you don't want it, just type no. It's not hard. Type no. Type no, sir. Go and rest, sir. Go and take some rest. Type no, sir. Go and rest. If you want it, type yes. How many yes do we have so far? Let me 1. Mr. Alade, stop saying yes 2 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5, 6. Only 6 yeses. Let me go. People are not typing yes. Okay, we have 7. We need 3 more yes. 3 more yes from a different person. No, not majority. I said 10 yes. 10 yeses. 10 yeses. I want 10 yeses. You are still on 7. We have 14 people watching. 14 people watching. Okay, let me add one more for you guys from my side. Let me add one from my side. So that's 8 years. We want 2 more. 2 more years. 2 more years. Okay. Let me do it. All right, like I was saying, this phone was having network issue. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down, sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down. So the first thing we do is physical inspection. Okay. Okay, the network cable looks okay. If you are interested in our online training, please come and join us. So our online training is very much available. All right, the network cable is fine, but it's still not drawing still not drawing signal. Okay, what we are going to do first is that we get our multimeter. Multimeter is very, very important. See, Mujike cannot do without multimeter. My lovely multimeter, my beautiful multimeter. All right, let's go. All right, we are going to start from the basics, okay? the basics of network troubleshooting. The basics. So what do you need to? The basic we need to know is that there is always a connection from the downboard to the main. We have connections from the downboard to the main PCB through this wire. So we call this wire network cable. So, and the network cable has two terminals, the negative and the positive. Okay, so that's why when you look at inside, Baba Ekaro, iPhone cable, ẹ̀jẹ̀ má gbàgbé àti dá padà. So yeah, so it has the negative and the positive. The negative is always the GND, and the positive is always the the line that carries the information to the network IC. So we are going to test first. Let me remove this terminal. Let me read if there is a short on that line. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Which line am I talking about? The positive line. You see this one right here, this small, this here. So I'm putting my multimeter here and ground. There is no short. Reverse probe. There is no short. Okay, the other side is reading short because it's GND. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about. It's supposed to read. Yeah, it's supposed to read GND. And this side too is fine. So now let's clip it back. There is very important something we need to check, because the complaint was that the network is fluctuating, it's going up and down. So let me clip it back. Then we are going to take continuity reading from the downboard to the main PCB. Okay, because this wire is supposed to connect, is a straight cable. So let's check that one too. So when you are checking, I will take my checking from this one right here, or this one, or this one. Okay, let me show you why. Because it's connected to these guys. So this one, they are all on continuity. They are all on continuity. Even the technician has already put some balls here, so soldering leads right there. So, but it's still not working. So I'm going to check from here. So it's going to be a quick one anyway. From here to look at the reading on the multimeter. Okay, what am I? Okay, look at the reading. That is 0.5, 0.2 is fluctuating, 0.3. You see, it's fluctuating. It's not supposed to fluctuate. It's supposed to give us a continuity reading, because from here to the main PCB, that's why this wire is there. So connects directly. I mean, I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I think this cable is the fault. Let's remove this cable. Let me put this cable here. Give me in those rubber. Let me look for another network cable. No, that one. Yeah, put this one back. So let me get another network cable. Very short. Hold on, guys. I'm looking for network cable. Okay, I've gotten one. So even without putting putting the back cover, although this is part of what makes the network, okay, but without putting this back cover, the network should be stable and strong. So let's connect this. Okay, let's connect here. So it's always good to start from the basic before opening all the shields and opening everything. Opening. Very good to take. Do you see that, guys? Do you see the difference? Do you guys see the difference? I want to respond. Do you guys see the difference? Do you guys see the difference? Look at it. I think this thing is going to work now. So that's the reading it's supposed to give us. Okay? Because, like I said, the cable is giving us a continuity from this downboard to the main PCB. So I think this thing is going to work now. Let's test. I can't wait to test. Let's test. Okay. My back is painful. You guys will not kill me. You guys will not kill me. Thank you, Mr. Ladi. Okay. Okay, you see now it's bringing how many bar? Full bar. This one is pressing itself. Full bar, it deduct one. But I'm very sure it's going to be steady now. Let's just observe for a few minutes. This phone is pressing itself. This phone is so the bar is steady now. Okay, it does not goes to you see, it either is full or it carries 3 bar, either the 4 bars or the 3 bar. So I'm very sure the 4 bar will be steady if the back cover now finishes the work. You see the back cover right here, these connectivities right here, and the one on top, they need to support each other so that. But I hope you guys learned something today. You see, it's not hard. So this network issue is sorted. It's sorted. Look at it. Look at it. Simple trick. And this technician has this phone for a very long time, but because they don't know all these informations, that's why they are bringing it to me. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. So all I need to do is now, this one is too long. You can see it's too long. But I'm going to get the good one. Or I make my jumper from a connectivity or from this guy here to to the top. It's still going to work too. So you can see the network is steady now. You see that? Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have learned a lot. Let me try and check balance. This screen is something else. The account balance is showing up, you see, and the bar is still steady. The network bar is still steady. So that's how it is done. Thank you so much, guys. I think I need to go now. My back is painful. Oh, bye bye. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm going to see you in another. So make sure you subscribe to our main YouTube channel as well. We go live there. We do have amazing stuff right there. So thank you so much, everybody. See you again. Let me come and see my face now. I'm so tired. Yeah, hey, you guys will not kill me. I'm telling you. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy your week. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you again next time. Peace.